Good morning. So yesterday I played with my garage, one motorhome, and I've tidied it up a little bit. Still have some work to do, my little workshop, but I'm gonna take you for a quick tour. Down here, we've got rubbish. We need to get rid of this. This needs to go. And then here, I've got some extra pallet wood that I still need to take the nails out and then put it with my other pile. Here I've got empty boxes. I need to get rid of that. That's odds and ends. All my paint and my oils and varnishes and stuff and brushes is on this shelf. Here I've got some sandpaper, my square, my level, machine accessories and some power tool boxes. Down there, don't know if you can see it, but you know, all these pallet foots, legs, this needs to disappear. I need to get rid of that. I hate that stuff. It's annoying. It's a nuisance. You can't do anything with it. Or I can just chop it up and use it on the fire and make like a fire starter. And here is a little makeshift table I did. This is a project, this is two projects, this is a project, I still need to finish that. This shelf's got some offcuts of usable pallet wood, all pieces that you still can use for whatever. So I've tried to sort it out lengthwise. Up there is empty refrigeration, gas refill thingies that I wanted to use and make like little things with. But that needs to go as well. Back here, this thing I still need to sort it out. I haven't gotten to it yesterday because I got tired. And this corner's got all my planks. This is all the pallets I've broken down. The nails are out, all sizes by sizes. I want to put it into this section here. I want to stack my pallet wood here. So when I work that side, I can just come to this side and everything is together. Here is a little workbench I made. It's not little, it's quite big. And here's my coffee, morning coffee. It's still early. My little belt and disc sander, a very small one, very handy. There's another project, there's another project, and there's another project. I've got 3 more projects on this table. Back here, we've got my small stuff, extra jigsaw blades, 2 clamps, that's all I've got. My screws, my drill bits, squares, a little clampy, 3 speed drills that I use, and my little Bluetooth speaker because I like to listen to music while I work or watch YouTube. Little power bank and then my fishing rods, but this I want to move. This needs to get away from here because of the dust. I don't have an extraction system in place. No, I don't. I use my vacuum cleaner sometimes. But yeah, my fishing rods needs to move because I also want to use the planks that I made the brackets of for something else. Here I want to make like that section there needs to move here because this is my workbench. We'll make like a little backdrop thingy. And here's another table, I call it my miter station because here's my little miter saw. It's very small. It's like I don't know, 200 mils. I can't even cut this piece of wood. It's 50 by 100. I talk in millimeters, don't talk inches or centimeters. It's 100 by 50 by something. Can't cut through it, all the way through it. So I had to take the guardrail off to cut it. Don't do it at home because it's very dangerous. And down here, I hope you guys can see, is my drill, my jigsaw and 2 sanders on a little thing I made for shoes. But I'm using it here to stack my tools on. So yeah, this is my hobby nest, my little man cave. But trust me, in the evenings after 6 p.m., after 5 p.m., if that garage door is open, all the mosquitoes comes in and they target the toes and the feet. Keep well, stay safe.